everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video I did a little pack with me. I showed you everything that I was taking in my makeup case, and I mentioned in that video that I would be sharing also all the skincare that I am taking with me for my Paris trip. So here are the two of them right next to each other. You can see the size difference, and then here are the beautiful little logos just on the back. So let's start with our in-flight essentials. So I've got three like serums in here. So first let's start off with this spray. This is the Caudalie, and this is just the mini size. Next I have the Dr. Barbara Sturm Anti-Pollution Drops. And this is like a high antioxidant serum that also helps to protect your skin against environmental factors, against blue light. So I thought that this would be great for in the plane. It's kind of a little bit of a congested, dirty environment. So having those kind of boost of antioxidants to help protect my skin against those free radicals. And then I also wanted something super hydrating, very nourishing, that would just kind of replenish my skin on a long flight. So I would basically apply this spray first, then my serum, and then go in with my facial oil. This is the Eventner's Daughter Active Botanical Serum, and this is so divine. It has a very nice therapeutic smell to it. It's super duper hydrating, and it will just lock in that moisture of my skin. So we have just two more kind of products before we get to all of our little sheet masks there. So the first thing is this Laneige sleeping mask. This is in the vanilla scent. This is actually super hydrating. I've been sleeping on this mask. Like, I haven't purchased this mask even though it's been such a popular product for so long, and I really like it. It's very moisturizing. I have the most just dry lips ever, so I love this. And then to keep my cuticles nice and hydrated and make sure that just my mani stays nice, I have this cutie oil, and this is in olivine, and this just smells absolutely divine. And it has kind of like this doe-foot kind of applicator, and I just kind of do that to apply it. And a little bit goes a long way. I think I actually didn't close that properly, and then I kind of just massage it into my cuticles like that. Love this. It smells so beautiful. And then I have all of my like sheet masks. So first I have this Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Universal Daily Peel, step 1 and 2. I've actually never tried this product before, but I thought that it would just be like a nice kind of like resurfacing-esque treatment for the plane. And then I have just a bunch of hydrating masks. So I have this 11 Skin. This is the Depuffing Eye Mask. I have the Illuminating Eye Mask. I have these two Chanel eye masks. I think I'm going to keep one for a nice little I was going to say at-home spa day, but we're going to be at the hotel. And then I have this sheet mask, is the Joanna Vargas Twilight Face Mask. So that is my little in-flight skincare products. If you have anything else that you recommend, let me know, like any steps at all. I would be interested to hear about those. So now we are moving on to my other one. This is like my primary skincare for when I'm at the hotel. So a couple of these are my makeup products I showed in my last video just because they are liquid. So I'm just going to move them off to the side. And then I also just have a beauty blender in here. Okay, so let's see. So now we're empty and we're going to repack it. So I'm going to start off with the Charlotte Tilbury mask, which fits perfectly at the bottom here. For cleanser, I have this is the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. This is a newish product to me, so I'm going to put that right there. I also have the Ijinacha. This is the travel size of the cleansing face oil. And for treatments, I have this Nuri. This is the Gentle Glow Tonic. It is so great. I have a face mask. This is a brand new Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask. I love this. And with that, I am packing my little mini mask brush. This is the Ijinacha one. For nighttime serums, I have the Sunday Riley Good Genes, and I got this set for like a nighttime Sunday Riley like discovery kit, and this is a lactic acid treatment, and this is actually like a really great travel size. It's 15 milliliters, and this is perfect in my opinion. And then I'm also trying the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. So this is just like my first kind of time trying out these products. And then the most gorgeous Dr. Barbara Sturm Hyaluronic Serum. Really great for replenishing my skin after being on a plane. I think the best way to kind of lay all these products out. I also have the Dr. Barbara Sturm Face Cream Rich. This stuff is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of play around with the layering of products like that. I also have this lip polish. This is the MAC Lip Scrumptious. And I use this with the Laneige Sleep Mask, so we'll just pop that here. And then I also have this little fun tool from Sephora, and this is like a lip scrubby brush. So you have this little spatula on one end to kind of pick up the product, and then a double-sided scrubber. Now I really like this one. This one's good too, and it actually helps to kind of plump up your lips too. My facial sunscreen, which is the Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. My favorite lash and brow serum, the Ijinacha Lash and Brow Serum. This stuff is absolutely incredible. I've noticed such a difference in my lash and brows since using it. I have a few more of the Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Daily Peels. I'm just gonna pop them right here. I have this Chanel Le Lift Flash Eye Revitalizer, and it's just this little roly ball that you can use underneath your eye socket. And this actually came with the Chanel eye masks, so I thought I would bring that with me. My hair oil, this is the Ijinacha Hair Silk Peptides, which is for after you shower, you apply this to your ends, and it smells so gorgeous. And then I have my Deborah Pagani hairpin. This is the one with pearls. I also have just the regular one, which I'm also bringing. These are perfect for putting your hair up. And then I initially had this scent. This is the Replica by the Fireplace, but I actually am going to bring my Maison Louis Marie in Les Tons Noirs, and that is the best smelling perfume. So that is going to be put to the side for now, and maybe I'll find another fragrance while I'm there, and then I'll just pop, you know, my beauty blender in here, and then these other makeup products that are liquid. Look at that. And then I'm just gonna do my best to close her up. There we go. So these are my skincare products for the trip. So that is all the skincare products that I will be bringing with me to Paris. I am really happy with the products that I've chosen. I tried to narrow it down as much as I possibly could, but I am such a skincare lover that it was so difficult to narrow down what I wanted to bring. So I brought all of that. I cannot wait to share my Paris vlogs, my outfits. Make sure to also follow me on my Instagram if you want to see kind of behind the scenes firsthand as they are happening, my outfits of the days, all that stuff. So please check out my Instagram, link down below. I'll probably also be doing some TikToks while I'm there, so you can also follow my TikTok listed down below as well. Bye, loves.